Okay, so the next one is through biological control, okay, on how to control the disease. So usually for biological control, we're going to use the agent, the biological agent, and usually is these microorganisms. Nak colour apa pula this time? Nak kuning jugalah. Okay, so by using microorganisms. However, by using microorganisms, sebenarnya problemnya is lack of reliability. Because it is a living organism. Jadi macam kita nak make sure that the establishment between the bio agent and with the association of the plants too is very difficult lah. So that's why the lack of reliability. So it doesn't mean that every time we apply the biological control to the plants, by every time will be 100% successful. Okay. The next one is through biotechnology. So this is the application of the molecular biology and the gene cloning and also the manipulation. And throughout these days, the usage of biotechnology to control the disease, for example, memang dah very successful. Okay, so usually when we use this biotechnology in disease control, it can rapidly detect the pathogens. Okay, and then there are the genetic modification. So everything under the biotechnology, it can help in controlling the disease. And the last one is the integrated pest ataupun integrated disease management. So instead of we adopt only one method at a time, so this integrated disease ataupun pest management ni, we integratekan 2 or 3 methods together. Okay, so for example, use lower chemical doses on plant with partial disease resistance, ataupun combine cultural practices with fungicides or disease resistance. So kita campurkan few methods together, and this is what we call the integrated disease management, and this is ideally. Okay, inilah yang ideal. Okay, fungal pathogen. Alright, so we know that pathogen ni, it can come from many living organisms, kan? But usually the major groups for fungal for pathogen from fungal. So kalau yang fungal ni dia punya major groups dia adalah from these 3: Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and also the Omycetes. Okay, so these are the diseases, okay, usually caused by Ascomycetes. So the first one is powdery mildew. Ini memang biasa kita nampak, tengok. Dia very powdery, and because it is caused by the fungal, so dia nampaklah macam dekat atas ni putih-putih ni. Okay, so dia memang on the leaf surface sahaja, powdery mildew. Okay, leaf spotting, diseases of cereals ataupun septoria. So yang ni memang kita nampak macam gini Dia ada spot dekat leaf dia tu, septoria. Septoria tu because from this organism ni. Mana ni? Sini. Okay, from septoria ni. Okay. And then leaf scald of barley and also the take-all disease. Okay, kalau yang leaf scald tu, so this is the leaf scald. Daripada yang barley punya. Jadi memang kita nampaklah dia lesion, ada warna kuning-kuning, ada warna brown-brown. Okay, ini adalah leaf scald disease. And the next one is take-all disease. And take-all disease ni, usually dia memang dekat root. Root disease dia ni. Memang stunted. Dan macam kita boleh nampak. Ni very stunted ni. Okay, so dia root dia pun tak cukup panjang, root hair dia pun tak cukup. So this is what we call the take-all disease. Okay, and then these are the diseases caused by the Basidio. Alright, so the name is rust. So kalau nama pun rust macam apa panggil? What is rust? Rust is karat. Karat kan. So kita memang nampak lah dekat plants ni, dekat leaves ni, tengok. The colour pun resemble the karat, and also dia macam the morphology, dia punya texture dia pun nampak macam karat juga. Okay, so disease caused by the oomycetes, and the most common one is this, late blight. So usually dia memang akan pergi dekat potatoes, dekat tomatoes, and tengoklah dia punya daun dia memang jadi macam ni, and it is still a problem right now. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lecture. I hope you understand now what is plant disease, the impact, and you can see the importance of learning the sources of the pathogens and the diseases that it causes, so that we can understand better, okay, the plant disease. Because once we understand better the plant disease, then we can manage, we can propose a plan on how to help them. Okay, so when we help them, then that is a type of conservation juga. Okay, kalau kita tak, dia akan semua mati dan habislah plant kita. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.